In this video, I will show you how to embed a custom code in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. Before adding an embed custom code element, let's first add a place to work on. Let's click on add a blank section. Now to add an embed code element, click on add element, then select embed code and drag and move it just like that. Double click it to replace this code. My embed code is a YouTube video. Replace it just like that and hit embed code. As you can see, my YouTube now is embedded successfully. All I need to do is to resize the embed code, resize this embed code section. To edit the code, click on enter the code. You can delete your code. You can also duplicate this embed code. You can also play with the visibility on mobile and also desktop, and you can delete this embed code. And this is how to add an embed code in Hostinger website builder.